Okay, I have my lightsaber. Oh no, how am I gonna do this? I will use the Force. Let's go and find him. I wonder where he could be. Is he under here? I don't see him under there. I doubt he would even be able to fit. I don't even know why I'm carrying this around. Okay. I'll ask my friends for help. Hey, Freddy, have you seen Monkey anywhere? No. I thought you were with him the last time. Yeah, well, I think he just jumped. I think he's hiding somewhere from me. Either that or he's plotting an evil plan. No, I don't know. That's kind of a shame. I was gonna play poker with him tonight, but oh well. Hey Llama, will you play poker with me? Sure. You'll have to teach me how. I don't even know what cards are. Well, thank you. Hey Llama, have you seen him? No. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Okay, but oh wait.